Alright, this is 11630 Carrollwood Drive, and we have just jet cleaned the lines. The camera is just sitting in the clean out right now. So we're going to jump that little lip. Let's move the camera around so we can jump the lip right there. There we go. So we pulled out probably about a quarter of a bucket full of cast iron scale. So what we want to do now is just make sure we did a good job and run the camera in here and check the condition of the pipe. Got one tiny little flake there. We haven't flushed it yet, so when we flush it, that little guy will come out. But there's literally handfuls and handfuls of rust. When I pull the camera out, I'll show you what we actually got out of the pipe. This so far looks beautiful. That's a combo picking up the right side of the house, and this goes straight back to the bathroom. A couple more tiny little guys. The camera head is really small, so when it runs across anything, it's going to magnify it. So this looks really good. It's nice and round. I don't see anything cracked. I don't see anything broken. There's probably a shower tub coming in right there where you see the roach antennas we're looking out. Just looking out and seeing what was going on, looking out of his little window. Yeah, this pipe looks a million times better than when we started. So yeah, it looks like we got all the debris out of this guy, and that's going to be a vent going up, so she's beautiful. We're going to pull everything, we're going to pull the camera back, and then I'll show you how much rust we got out of the pipe. Alright, so we're coming back up the clean out. I'm going to try to get you wipe the camera head off. So this is our 5-gallon bucket here that we use a big magnet to get all the rust out. And I'm a pretty good sized person. That's just one handful of rust. You can see how much is left in here. All that was in the pipe. That's what was causing everything to clog up. So now it's all nice and clean and beautiful. Shouldn't have any more issues. Thanks for watching.